Hi, I'm Mr. E, and I decided to make this video because I was asked by uh, several people, why don't I make a video about how I stood my tablet up in my car so that I could use it with my GPS. I'd gone to my local telephone dealership to look for a bigger screen. I thought I'd like it with my ride-sharing business. But then I realized that why not go to a tablet size? And they did have one tablet, so I bought it. And then the next thing I had to do was figure out how to set it up so that it would face me uh, while I'm driving. So that's what this is about, and a few other neat things about smartphones and that you might find interesting. So many people have suggested that I make this into a life hack video. I decided to go ahead and do it. What we have here is a clasp that I got from the hardware store. It hooks into the vent for the air conditioner. I've got a bungee cord that hooks into that and goes up to my tablet and hooks into what you might call an alligator clip or paper clip or something like that that holds it onto the, it pulls on top of the tablet. And I lucked out in that the tablet fits perfectly into this ridge over the radio, so that even though the bungee cord is pulling to the back, it can't pop out because of the ridge that the tablet sits in. Okay, the other part is right here, right next to it, and this is the gadget that I use to hold my smartphone. In other words, this is a metal ball with some indentations in it. It is glued to the top of the dash, and this smartphone will sit on top of it like this. And the back side of the telephone actually has a magnet that comes with it. The magnet will stick to the ball and therefore have another way of holding the smartphone. If you use your GPS a lot, like maybe you're a pizza delivery guy or you're a ride sharing guy like I am now, you use your GPS a lot, and your compass, which plays a part in GPS, has to be calibrated every once in a while, or what will happen is that your routes will have little loops in it that don't make any sense. So you need to calibrate it every once in a while. But anyway, if you have to calibrate it, you might wind up doing like this one does, whereby you have to push the little location point, and it'll give you three options. One is to calibrate, and then when to calibrate, you'll find instructions like the first ones that I ever did. The latest ones is to actually do a figure eight with your smartphone like this 3 times while you have that app working the calibration of the compass. Now that's for this one. The one I had before, which I liked better, was actually a compass app that I put into my smartphone, and it would have you do this. You do this, twirl it this way 3 times, and look at your compass calibration setting and see what it says. If it says 100% or close, then you're doing pretty good. And then twirl it like this. That's another one, 3 times, and then look at your settings, see how close you are to 100%. And then the other one is to twirl it like this 3 times, and then look at your setting and see if it's up to 100% or as close as you can get to it, or you'll say done and good setting, high setting, or something like that.